Down yonder is where you can't swim. Whereas where I am right here, I'm dying to sit on the rocks, but I would not be allowed to, and I do not want the lifeguards running over to me again. Isn't it awesome though? And then just whilst we're on high zoom, there's one little wee cloud there, and I can't see what you can see. So you can see why I shouldn't have swum yesterday in there. And I definitely deserve to get in trouble for doing so. It's just so sod's lawish. Oh, there's a massive one coming in. Where's it going to land? Yay, right at me. Oh, there's another one coming. I don't really want the phone to get soaking wet. But it hasn't even had so much as a splash of water on it yet. I know I just jinxed myself. So, on that note, I'm going to stop filming right there. Let's come out of high zoom. That's what I was trying to show you before the sun. It's wonderful here. I want to live. I'll show you why I want to live. If it will let me. There's a building. Just there on the tip, that white building. Awesome. And I think that the villa that I spotted that I want to move to is the house you can see just there on the tip of the hill, right in the middle of the screen. Okay, I'm going to come off high zoom and I'm going to go into selfie mode because I do actually want to talk about a few things, but my mind will probably go blank. Ouch, that really hurts. Oh, before I do, I'll show you my legs at the moment. She says. So they're definitely looking better, but that's because I've been in the pool a lot. Now, although my uncle lives inland, he also lives near lakes and has a pool, but I won't be able to dive in it, which I'm devastated about. If I'd have known that, you see, I'm always so traumatised by everything and in so much pain. The first few days I was here. And also, in my ideal world, between 2 and 8, I'd probably be out and about in the sun and sea. But in Mum's ideal world, she wants to be eating like by 9 latest. And there just isn't time to do things to suit both. And seeing as I wouldn't even be here if it wasn't for Mum, you know, I'll obviously have to respect her, don't I? So, what I'm going to do is I'll put it onto... Oh, hang on. There's some coming. There's a big one, I think. Oh, I don't know where to look. Isn't it lush? But I've got a plan for the morning. I'm not going to say it out loud because if I do it won't happen. And I'm also on a time schedule here now. It's 6:26 and I said that at 5:55. How funny is that? But actually really it's an hour later, which means really it's not it's 6:26 English time. It's 7:26 Spanish time. So oh yeah, we've got some big ones coming. I can't always tell where they're going to land. Hey! Isn't it perfect? I may as well show you what's behind me as well. So when I did film myself swimming, it was just beneath that building there. See, once I get onto selfie mode, it's going to be harder to show you these. I can't stay here much longer anyways because my feet are like both not elevated and also not in the salt water, and because I need to really be back out of here really for 8 o'clock, which means 7 o'clock your time. Well, it depends where you're watching, doesn't it? But 7 o'clock UK time. And I can feel my back burning, so I'm dying to get on these rocks. I know I wouldn't get washed off, but I'm not in the mood to have lifeguards come running after me again. Although, I must admit, I do think it was rather cool that I swam in the sea, and if only I'd have had someone to film me, because of the current, it just drifted me a wee bit out of camera shots. But only a tiniest little bit. Hang on. I hope you can hear it. I mean, I've realised you have to have a mic. Like last night I filmed and took the mic off stupidly because it wasn't windy, except it picks up every bit of noise going. You have to have a mic on, you really do. All right. Please, God, help me switch this off. Okie dokie. Well, that worked because now it's fuzzy and it won't unfuzz. So I'll go on selfie mode. Oh, that was nice to end. And what we'll do is I'll have a quick chat. I'll have a quick chat. Yay! Awesome. Okay. So now I need to find somewhere that I can get my legs in. I really want to swim though. I might actually end up doing so. I'll just pop these here for now, and hopefully I won't forget about them. I'll say goodbye to this beautiful little patch. need to get my legs in the water because of swelling. Actually, I can see. Screw it. I'm standing in the water, dressed. As you do. Look at the twinkle. Let's see what you can see. Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it? So there's rocks in here, and everyone's got sea shoes on. So, and also I'm actually wearing a skirt which I've had since I was let me think about this. Even since I was last living in Greece. Yeah, so 10 years. My bikinis, which you haven't seen me filmed in, apart from the white one, which I think there's some footage of me in, which I've worn the bottoms with the blue top. I've had that since I was 18 years old. Nothing embarrassing about that, eh? Anyways, this is a really cool place to stand because of the sea wall. There's no touch wood. There's no waves coming in. So long as I don't drop the camera or anything, all is good. You have no idea how much I was dying to get in that water. I think what we're going to have to do though, because of the time factor, and also it's more interesting for you, is I'll just pause this up and put the rucksack on. How long's it been on pause? I'm getting pretty fed up with this malarkey. I'm going to have a look and see. I have just talked so much valuable information, and guess what? It magically has switched itself off. I mean, really? You just can't make this stuff up. When I first started going out with Tony, before I started going out with Tony, he thought I was a dramatic, exaggerator, sociable butterfly. As do most people. When the truth of the matter is, I'm an not antisocial. I love talking to people. I just I don't feel like I've got the time to waste my energy. Oh, it sounds awful. But I just, look, I'm a loner by heart. Looks like a bit like a heart. Or a pyramid. I think it looks like a heart. Yeah, and he didn't know as much as he does now. He'd read loads of books which were bang into all of the stuff which we know is true, but he'd never lived it firsthand in a co-conscious way. And so, bless his heart. I'm just checking if it's still filming. Bless his heart. He thought, even though he thought that I must be really dramatic, he clearly thought I was worth the effort. Look, to be honest, everyone thinks I'm really dramatic unless they know my life and know me properly. And it's hurtful because I'm not dramatic. People assume, people that I was close friends with for years, but not in the flesh, because everyone in the flesh knows exactly what I'm like, you know. I don't even answer my door unless I know who's coming. Sorry, I thought it was going to pause again. And so within within a month, because he spoke to some of his friends, and I said, be careful, my phone's tapped. And, you know, he took it with a pinch of salt. Within a month of us living together, he knew that I was not exaggerating. Actually, I understate everything. I really do. I think actually, as well, when it froze, I was trying to get some shots. Like, you know, it's really nice, isn't it, to see? To see the sea, and to see the waves splashing, and to see yourself. It's so lovely to spend some time with her, you know? Anyways, I'm almost. Plus I'm walking past the hotel, which I'm meant to be in, so. Hola! I can't see because there's It's okay, I'm not filming you. I'm filming, look, you can see if you want. So I'm filming you now, but I haven't got any money on me. I haven't got any money. So unless you want to do a swap. No.
I'll go.
Really? Okay. Let me show the camera because looks better on you though, because you're blacker than me. It's beautiful. What's your name?
My name is Paulo.
Paulo?
Paulo.
Nina?
What's your name?
Nina?
Mina.
Nina and Nina. Yeah. Yeah, you say. No, you've got to have it. You can't just give me something and not take something back. Oh, you want the stone? Bless your heart. Hmm? Hang on a second. Here, hold the camera then. Hold this. And I'll, well, that hand, and then I can. Now you have to do this for me. It's okay. I'll just move this. That. And you can make this tighter, you know, shorter, if you want. Because if it's too big, you know, you can make it shorter.
Me.
What, you want this? Say it in, do you speak French? Oh, she, no. Adios. That was really gross. He gave me a nice bracelet. I don't think I want it now, though. And the irony is that what he asked for from me, that I was wearing on my wrist, I've got more at home. I actually was wearing them in the last basis thing I did with Miles, not the last one, the one before that, the part 2, basis 7, well, basis 27, part 7, I think. I don't know how on earth, Miles, you managed to get so many bases from me. It's because of the ones which I did with Angie, which got added on. Basically, he wanted to F-U-C-K me. And I was like, say, he started doing hand motions. I wish I got that on camera. Oh, God, I feel so sick now. I'll tell you something for nothing. This bracelet he gave me is coming off. It's not staying on my wrist. My wrist feels heavy just wearing it. I'm taking it off now, in fact. It needs cleansing. It does not need to be on my wrist. It's making my wrist feel like I want to just draw up. Let me just pop this. Thought he wanted my scarf around my neck, and I'm thinking, no, you can't have that. Mum gave me it years ago. It's because I'm wearing a skirt, and I never wear short stuff usually. Not if I'm on my own. It's lovely. Mum will love it. She'll love it. But, crikey, that's so disgusting. It's because oh God, it's coming back. I'm going to walk through here. It's because I'm black, isn't it? And it's really racist here, I think. By the look of things, I haven't seen any Spanish or white girls with any. I haven't seen anybody with. All the black people here are either braiding hair or selling sarongs on the beach and whatnot. Or there was an Arab guy yesterday that I was chatting to who was lovely. He was only young. Clearly he needed a booty call, but oh my God, did it have to be me? I knew I was filming. The devil was alive and well. Because what should have been the most beautiful filming session, although you can see the seat behind me, you can. What should have been the most beautiful filming session I'm walking over a zebra crossing and a car just put his foot down and went through. Oh, everyone's gawping at me. Oh God, I forgot my top was up. That's because I wanted to go for a swim. So I look like a tart, basically. Wonderful. The irony is I've been wearing long dresses every single day, apart from last night. So, every night, when we come back, there's a frog that swims. Look, I'm dressed more respectfully now. I thought, seeing as you've got people walking along in bikinis, I thought that I'd be alright, but never mind. So, I think I've just missed the pool. It closes at 8. I wanted to zoom in. Never mind. Mum's going to be over the moon. I said to her, have you have a bath ready for 8? Oh, there's still people there. But I think I've lost the will to live when it comes to anything. I'll show you this as well before we stop filming. It really is a wonderful hotel. See how busy it is. Oh, it's too busy for me. But what I will do is I'll show you it from a different angle to while I'm trying to dive in. So I took the kids out of the way. There. I love the domes they've got and everything. It's so wonderful. They've got a couple of clouds coming. Now they spray chems at night here. And that's like really interesting because every single night, every single day I mean, look at the flowers. It's jasmine. You know, hang on a second. I've got a friend who know exactly what I mean. Hello, Jasmine. Oh my God, they smell divine. Funnily enough, that's what I was thinking would be a good name for a little one. Oh, look at these. In the tree. And the cacti. And other than that, there's only a couple more things I'm going to show you. I love this. And I'm going to pray and bless it first. And I'll only give it to her if it feels better, you know, if the feeling gets good on it, basically. Hola. I filmed this last night, but you won't be able to see it so clearly. Oh. You know, when he started being really rude, I started to speak Greek to him, like, oh, she. I'm like, why am I speaking Greek? So silly. It's beautiful. That's why it was quite funny in the comments, because I'm like speaking French, Italian, and my ein bisschen Espanol. That's now German and Spanish. Great. It's so beautiful. But not with me frowning. Anyways, enough's enough. We leave here tomorrow at 12:30 and we go to where my uncle is, a couple of hours away. I am not allowed to reveal his location, so I'm keeping it top secret. And actually, Mum says it's no one's business, and she's right. Just like saying where she won the blood thing from is no one's business, but like a muppet, I shared the details. But it's on my profile page, not on YouTube, you know. Okay, well, I'm going to say adios. My battery's about to go anyway, so... Ciao! Ciao, Bella. Thanks for watching. Adios. Adios, amigos. I love you all. Bye. And I pray for you all, even the nasty trolls. Bye. They need prayers the most. People remember that, please. Okay, almost out of battery power, but here's a quick view of the moon, if I can find it. There it is. Alright, it's not going to let me focus, so instead... Yay! And there it is in the dim distant past. And, worse than up here, I'm going to quickly show you the mountains. Oh, that's why we couldn't see the moon, because look, there was something far better to show you. Perfect. I feel like I'm at church with the building, the way that it all is. Oh, hang on a moment. Check that out. Isn't that wonderful? C'est fantastique. Oh, bella. Isotrelos. No, not crazy. Parapolis este though. Nay. See. Yeah. Yes, it's very hot. And it's very beautiful. But I am actually out of battery power for real. It's like on 9%. And I've realised in the past, if I keep filming when this happens, then I actually lose everything. So we must switch off. My room, I can show you quickly. You see these two things ahead of us? The last two oval type tops are mine. All right, adios amigos.